The leadership tussle in the Chartered Institute of Projects Managers of Nigeria (CIPMN) began when the embattled pioneer president Dr. Victoria Okoronko insisted she remains president of the institute following her removal, which came before the election of the substantive president Dr. Jamilu Isa Yankwanshi in June 2023. Justice Muhammad Mustafa of the Court of Appeal Abuja, who presided over the proceedings, in his ruling upheld the judgment which removed Dr. Victoria Koronko as president of the Chartered Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria and appointed Dr. Jamilu Isa Yankwanshi as the substantive president of the institute. Counsel representing Dr. Yankwanshi, Kelechi Obona, hailed the ruling, saying justice has been served.
The court in its wisdom has considered facts before them and the position of law, and it is obvious that the application, even with the fact that the court gave 200,000 naira fine, they knew the position of the law, but they decided to try to waste the time of the court, and the court has decided to direct them properly to let them know that the application to stop a declaratory judgment was a waste of the time of the court, and it was a calculated attempt to frustrate a judgment rightfully and properly given by the High Court of the FCT.
President of the CIPMN, Dr. Yankwanshi, who also hailed the judgment of the court, however, called on members and prospective ones to ignore a purported induction by some alleged impersonators.
I feel very happy that the rule of law is sustained, justice is delivered. So it's a creation of law that is binding on all Nigerians, including Dr. and Mrs. Victoria and any other person. So play the game according to the rule and also the laws that set up the place, and you are safe. But if you don't want to play the game according to the law that set up the institute, and of course the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, you are bound to be having a lot of embarrassment. Nigeria is a lawful country, and nobody should be allowed to make it lawless.
Efforts to get the reaction of the appellant, Dr. Victoria Okoronko, proved abortive as she declined comment when approached by her crew in Abuja. Tokpe Alabi, NTA News.